Permission sets allow you to create custom access to specific Unity Enterprise features that can be assigned to specific roles. To access the Permission Sets feature, simply navigate to the Organizations section, then the Permissions section. Select Permission Sets from the available features under the drop-down menu. The displayed screen will show you all the current permission sets available on the left-hand side and all the details on the right. Need to see which users are currently linked to specific permission sets? By clicking the cog icon next to a permission set, you can view the users linked to that specific set. Need to add a new permission set? To create a new permission set, simply select the plus icon at the top of the list. Give your new permission set a name, activate or deactivate it, and add an optional description. Next, you'll see the list of all available permissions. You can dive into each subfield and adjust the access level even further as needed. The available access levels are Custom, Full Access, View Only, and Not Available. Also very important to remember is, if you change the access level of a subfield, the Parent tab will default to Custom Access. Once you've made all the necessary adjustments, click the tick icon to save your changes.